In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board and organize your first card. By the end, you'll have a simple, clean setup you can build on, plus a few tips to keep things clear and manageable. First, start by clicking on the Create button. Depending on the app layout, it might be at the top of your screen or near your workspace menu. When the menu opens, choose Create Board. This tells the app you want a new space to organize tasks and ideas, not a document or anything else. You'll be prompted to give your board a title. Type something short and descriptive, like example, so you can recognize it at a glance later. Clear naming helps when you have multiple boards, and it sets the tone for how you'll organize content inside. When the title looks good, click Create Again to confirm. Now wait for it to load. You might see a quick spinner or a brief transition. Give it a moment. If your connection is slow, it can take a little longer. Once the board appears, you're ready to add your first piece of work. Add a card. You'll typically see an Add a Card option in your first column. Click it and a small text field will open. Name the card with a short action-focused title, like Draft Project Outline or Schedule Kickoff. This title is what you'll see on the board at a glance, so keep it clear and concise. Next, click on the card to open its details. Inside, you'll see options to label it by changing colors. Labels are a quick visual way to categorize. Think priority, status, or type of work. Pick a color that makes sense to you, and stay consistent across your board for easy scanning. You can also add dates. Set a due date if there's a clear deadline, or use it as a target to keep yourself on track. Dates help cards surface when they're approaching, and they're great for planning your week. If the work has multiple parts, add a checklist. Break the card into bite-sized steps so you can check them off as you go. It keeps momentum high and makes progress visible even before the card is finished. Finally, remember that you can drag the card, move it up or down to adjust priority or across columns as the work moves forward. Dragging gives you a fast visual way to manage what's important right now. That's it. Create a board, add a card, name it, open it, label it, set dates, add a checklist, and drag it to organize your flow. Keep things simple, stay consistent with names and colors, and you'll have a board